Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to use fingerprint or face unlock on your Monese account or how to change your password. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how I make money online. So let's jump into it. First open your Monese app, then go to the settings menu. In the settings, you will have to tap on the privacy and security section. And here you can change your passcode using the first option here. And to set up a face unlock or a fingerprint unlock, you will have to tap on the use biometric login. You have to turn on this switch, then go to login with biometrics. Then use your biometric login that is used on your phone. For me, it's a fingerprint reader, but you can also use Face ID. Verified, and that's it. Now you can log in using your fingerprint or Face ID. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next one.